Hello everyone. So today we'll be going to see how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. We used to learn about elimination method and substitution method, but both ways are correct. Some of the teachers follows substitution method, some of the teachers follows elimination method, but both of the methods are really easy and they are time consuming if you learn how to solve them, if you know the ways of solving the simultaneous equation using both of the techniques. So first of all, today we'll be learning about how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Okay, so to solve the equation using elimination method, you first set up your mind, that is which constant might get cut. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Our first motto will be omitting a constant, that is x or y, anything it can be, and if the signs are not changed, we have to change them by substituting a minus. Okay, in this first equation you see that 3x plus y equal to 10, x minus y equal to 2. You can see here the constant of x are not equal because the coefficient of x is here 3 and the coefficient of x is here 1, but the y's are same. Here is plus y and here is minus y. Both the constant are same and their signs are also reversed, that is opposite sign. Okay, so omitting y in this equation will not be a difficult task. Okay, so now first of all we need to write here 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2 means equation 1 adding with equation 2. Okay, so why we're adding it? Because when you will add these two equations, minus y and plus y will be omitted. Okay, minus y and plus y will be omitted. Let's check it out. As you can see here, x plus 4x, 3x plus x is equal to 4x, and plus y minus y gets cut, and 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, so the value of x is 12 divided by 4, x equal to 3. Okay, as you can see, this is very easy ways of solving this equation. So we have find out the first value as 3. Okay, now we can use these equation, this is the value of x at any of these equation. You can put x equal to 3 at equation 1 or equal at equation 2. So at my choice I will putting x equal to 3 in the equation 2. Okay, I am putting this value of x in the equation 2. Okay, let's see, x minus y equal to 2. Value of x is 3, minus y equal to 2, so 3 minus 2 equal to y. These 2 will be shifted to that side and this minus y will be shifted to that side. Okay, right side. So the value of y is 1. So we are done with the first math, that is x equal to 3 and y equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is the answer of the first equation. Okay, now the answers, if the answers are correct or wrong, you can verify them. How? We have x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. Put them in this equation, that is 3 into 3 plus 1, it is equal to 10. As you can see, the value of this one is 10. Okay, the value of this one is 10. Okay, now moving on to the next equation, that is 2x plus y equal to minus 3 and x minus y equal to minus 3. In this equation you can also see that the signs are reversed and the coefficients are also same. You can also omit x, but in that case you have to revert their sign as well by substituting a minus. Okay, by substituting a minus, we'll see in the next coming up solutions. Okay, so now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, so 2x, first of all 1 plus 2, okay, so 2x plus y equal to minus 3 and x minus y equal to minus 3. Okay, then add up. So this is 3x, these two get cut, and if you add these two, that is minus 6. Okay, that is minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 divided by 3, that is x equal to minus 2. So the value of x in this equation is minus 2. Now we have to find out the value of this equation at equation the value of y. So you can put the value of x at any equation, that is 2 or 1. This time in the first case we have put the equation, put x equal to minus 2 in equation 2, and this time we'll now put x equal to minus 2 in the equation 1. Don't get confused, because putting the value of x at any equation will give you the same value of y. Okay, so don't get confused about this. So putting x equal to minus 2 in the equation 1. Okay, so this is 2x plus y equal to minus 3. So 2 into minus 2 equal to y, this is minus 4, plus y equal to minus 3. So y equal to minus 3 plus 4, y equal to 1. So as you can see, the value of x and y, the x is minus 2, y equal to 1. This is the value of this simultaneous equation. Okay, so this is clear. I guess you are clear with the video. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section. We are moving on to the next part. Question number 3. As you can see here, the constants are same but the signs are not reverse. Okay, let's try it. In the first case we have done with reversing, they already have reversed equation, but in this case the signs are not reversed but the constants are same. Okay, in that case this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what you could write is just 1 minus 2. This is the difference. Okay, this is the difference. So let's check it out. That is a plus b equal to 4 and twice a plus b equal to 5. Since we have subtracted the equation 2 from equation 1, so we will add here minus. The equation will be reversed, and for this minus the previous signs will not be of any use. Okay, so here you can see plus b and minus b gets cut. Plus b, this is plus b and this is minus b, gets cut. So a minus a, that is minus a. This is a positive a and this is minus twice a. So minus a equal to 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. So the signs gets cut, so a equal to 1. This is the answer for a. And now to find out the value of b, you need to put the equations putting a equal to 1 in the equation, putting a equal to 1 in the equation 1. Okay, so a plus b equal to 4, a plus b equal to 4, that is a plus b, we have find out the value of a, that is 1 plus b equal to 4. So b equal to 4 minus 1, so the value of b is 3. Okay, so the value of b is 3. As you can see, these are how we used to solve the simultaneous equation using elimination method. So in conclusion, a equal to 1 and b equal to 3. If you are confused with these values, you can put them in this equation, and if the values are equal to this number, that means your answers are correct. Let me show you once again. We have used a equal to 1, so 1 and b equal to 3, that is 3. So the value is 4. As you can see, the value is 4. So this value is also 4. That means our equation's answers are correct. Okay, Now the last math for the elimination method is using 4x plus y equal to 14. Here there is a slight bit of confusion because none of the constants are same and none of the signs are reversed. So what we can do is, if we can made up our mind, that is, we'll omit x first. Okay, so if you omit x first, you have to use multiplication, because if you want to omit x first, then use this 4 to multiply with this equation. Okay, use this 4 to multiply with this equation, that is, you have to multiply the coefficient of x with equation 2. Okay, with equation 2. Now if you want to omit 5, because the value of at first I have said, I have told you, that is, if you want to omit x, you have to use this 4 to get multiplied with this equation, and the value and the coefficient of this x is 1, so you have to use this one to multiply with this equation. And if you want to omit y, at the first equation the coefficient of y is 1, so multiply 1 with this second equation and multiply this coefficient of 5 with this equation. Okay, the reverse method here is used. Okay, so I want to omit x from this equation. Okay, so for omitting x, the for with equation 1 I have to multiply 1. Why? Because for the second equation the coefficient of x is 1, so that's why the equation 1 must get multiplied with 1. Okay, now minus has been introduced because both of the numbers are positive. Okay, both of the numbers are positive, so if there is a negative sign we don't need to use a minus. Okay, because if there is a minus sign with x, we have to only make the constant same and omit them. Since there is no minus sign, we have to introduce a subtraction sign here. Okay, so 1 multiply 1, so equation 2 must get multiplied with 4. Why 4? Because in the first equation 1 the coefficient of x is 4. Okay, now let's check it out. Equation 1 gets multiplied with 1, so it will remain the same. And equation 4, so 4x 4 into 5y, that is 20y, and 4 into 13, that is 52. Okay, now you can see that the coefficient of x are same in both equation. Okay, so as we have subtracted them, we have to use minus sign. This value gets cut, and this is a minus 19y, and this is, I guess, 38, minus 38. Yes, if you minus, that is 14 minus 52, this is minus 38. Okay, so minus 38, so minus gets cut, and y equal to 38 minus 19, 2, so y equal to 2. Okay, is the procedure clear to you? As I have said, since we have omitted x here, so the coefficient of x will be multiplied, because multiplied with both the equation. If we have to omit y, so these 5 will be multiplied with this equation, and this 1, invisible 1, will multiplied with equation 2. The reverse process. Okay, as you can see here, as I have done with equation 1, this coefficient gets multiplied, and with equation 2 this coefficient gets multiplied with the whole equation numbers. Okay, so y equal to 2. Now we have to use this equation in this value of y in this equation, not in this equation, because this is a reformed equation. Okay, we have to use this value of y in any of this equation. Okay, so let's check it out. For x plus 5y, we are putting y equal to 2 in equation 2. Okay, so x plus 5y equal to 13, so x is 13 minus 5y, 13 minus 5 into 2, that is 13 minus 10, 3. Okay, so the value of x is 3. As you have seen, the value of y is 2 and the value of x is 3. Okay, so this is how you need to solve the simultaneous equation using elimination method. Okay, using the elimination method, this is how you need to solve the simultaneous equation. It's a very easy method. Okay, Okay, so if you have any problem if you have any problem on this video, please let me know in the comment section. Stay safe.